Welcome to the Autodesk ANZ YouTube channel. My name is Samuel McAllister and I am a Senior Technical Sales Specialist for Building Information Modeling. Today's presentation is going to be a quick walkthrough of using Navisworks for doing viewpoint navigation. So what we have on the screen here is one of our save views. We've fired up our Save Viewpoints tab and we're going to navigate through the model and start to save some of these still views and then stitch them together to create an animation. So very quickly, using the walkthrough tool with the navigation tools on the right hand side of the screen, I can use the walk tool assistant to navigate from point A to point B and then save those views in the Save Viewpoint tab on the right. So it's very intuitive and easy to use. You can pan, zoom, orbit and look around the model, and then when you're happy with that chosen view, right-click in the Save Viewpoints tab and then add it to the selection of views that you're seeing here on the screen. We can move to any point in the model. We can adjust that viewpoint. We can adjust exactly where we're going to look, and we can save start points and end points. And what we're going to do is create that timeline type of animation between point A and point B by stitching together these viewpoints. What you'll also notice is that when we want to walk upstairs, we have to have the collision and gravity turned on. We have to make sure that the third person viewer here with the avatar is set above the slab level. So with that turned on, we can now use the gravity tool to walk up the stairs and finish at our final arrival point here at the top of the stairs. And then the one final adjustment is doing an Atrium View here inside the Autodesk building. So now we have say half a dozen views saved inside of Navisworks, and we want to fine-tune them and then stitch them together to create an animation. So very simply, if you need to adjust the view, you can select the view, manipulate it slightly with say the look around tool, and then right click and update that animation, and now that will save that view. And even at the beginning of this animation we have some avatars showing. We can also update it so it's first person as opposed to third person. We've also just here right clicked and added an animation to the Save Viewpoint, and now that's in our Viewpoint tab, and when we click and run the animation with all those Save Viewpoints dragged into the animation, we can then run through that sequence of the walkthrough. Again, if we want to remove the third person, right click and update that viewpoint with the third person removed, and then we're back in first point, and we can also change the speed, so we can go from say a default 5 seconds to 20 seconds, run the animation, and all those viewpoints that we've previously saved, it's stitched together and you've instantly got an animation through your building information model.